Welcome to Interior Design's YouTube channel. Step into a world of opulence with our exquisite luxury lobby designs for home decor. These concepts transcend the ordinary, elevating your entryway into a grand statement of sophistication. Each element is carefully curated to execute elegance, from sumptuous furnishings that welcome with comfort to meticulously chosen decorative accents that command attention. The interplay of textures, premium materials, and thoughtfully designed lighting casts an enchanting spell, setting the tone for your home's interior. Whether you desire a timeless classical aesthetic or a modern fusion of styles, our luxury lobby designs is a showcase of architectural finesse and artistic expression, embracing the seamlessly harmony of luxury and functionality as you create a welcoming ambience that captures the essence of indulgence for both residents and visitors alike. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe and like Interior Designs channel.